Hello guys, welcome to Days in My Hair. So today is 3 days after my wash day, so I've been just keeping my hair like this throughout the entire weekend, and now what I want to do is I want to take down the plaits and we can rock our hair today. I also want to do a sit down on the length retention 101, and we're going to be talking about the scalp. So that's a video that I'm going to post before this one. Yeah, so make sure that you check that out, and maybe later on in the evening or tomorrow I can re-moisturize my hair. By the way, what I've been doing here is I've been using this scalp massager. I don't know what's wrong with this. Anyway, I've been using the scalp massager all the time, every single day, doing this. Yeah, I want to see the results of this. So I'm going to be discussing all these things on the scalp episode. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So let me just show you how my hair is like right now. So with my routine, I always make sure that I'm focusing more on moisturizing my hair so that I don't have to re-moisturize my hair as often. So it has been really working great. So I really love how my hair feels every single time. Like right now my hair is still soft and it feels moisturized. So if you're wondering what routine is that, I'm going to link a video on my moisturizing routine. Also the entire routine that I did the last time, I'm also going to link that video as well. So this is how my hair looks like. It's actually really soft. It's very soft. And I love it like this. It's really amazing. I just love how my hair feels every single time. Yeah, so I'm going to be taking these plaits down and then we'll see each other once I'm done. Also, I'm going to be doing a length check update, I guess in the other video, in the next video or the second video after this. So I'm going to do that length check update so that we can see whether I'm retaining enough length. But I feel so positive about this right now because I did try and check it. I actually checked it a little bit and I realized that I've really grown my hair, guys. And starting this length retention challenge has really been the best thing ever because I can finally see a huge difference in my hair. So if you haven't started the length retention challenge yet, if you haven't joined me, kindly join so that we can do this together. We can grow our natural hair together. So what I did not do this time around was I did not moisturize my scalp, and that's something I do not understand why. I always forget to do that. I've realized that if I do not moisturize my scalp in the first day, like on my wash day, I do end up getting flakes. And well, right now I don't have flakes, but I know I'm going to end up getting them maybe in a few more days. So I'm going to try and see what I'm going to do about that. Hi guys, so it's 10 p.m. and I'm getting ready to go to bed. I wanted to fix my hair, but I cannot do that. I was supposed to re-moisturize my hair today, but I'm not going to do that because I'm already tired and I need to rest. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to massage my scalp for like 2 minutes, and then afterwards I'm going to just tie my hair the way it is. I'm just going to use this to tie my hair, and then tomorrow we are going to re-moisturize the hair because right now I cannot do anything. I'm really tired. So I'm just basically going to do this all over my scalp. It's not It's not something hard, so I'm just glad I got this thing because it feels so good. I'm only going to do just a few strokes, and I'm doing it in circular motion, so yeah. So the reason why I'm doing this is to stimulate hair growth, to make sure that there's enough blood circulation on my scalp. And also this helps with removing the dead skin. It's very easy to remove dead skin doing like this. And also the sebum, it helps with spreading the sebum really easily all over the scalp and also on my hair. So I'm really trying to regrow this hair, and so far it's growing really well. So this is how short it is, but I'm really surprised because it has really grown. So I'll be focusing more on my edges as well. You see the flakes? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So I realized that I do get dead skin a lot quicker. Same thing applies to my face. I cannot miss exfoliating my face, because if I do that, I'm going to have lots of dead skin, especially around this area and around my eyebrows, also around this area. So I make sure that I exfoliate my face, and I realized it's still the same when it comes to my scalp. So I need to make sure that I'm exfoliating my scalp. I saw that this is really helpful, that this is going to help in removing the dead skin, and once I get used to doing that, I'm pretty sure the flaking is going to reduce. I'm still trying to see how effective it is. Because I don't have a busy week, I just put it in a very simple protective style that is going to keep my hair protected throughout the entire week. So this is how I'm going to sleep, and then we're going to see each other tomorrow. Bye. Hello guys. So I decided to rest yesterday. I did not moisturize my hair. So right now I want to do that. I want to moisturize my hair. So this is how I left my hair, and this is how it has been. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I don't know how my scalp is because I didn't even massage my scalp yesterday. So this is how my hair looks like currently. It's really not that bad. It's just that I neglected it just a little bit. So what we're going to do first is spritz some water. Not a lot of water, just a little bit, to be able to make it a little bit soft. So we're going to be moisturizing in smaller sections because it's much easier to do that, guys. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to massage my scalp while it's like this. And I'm going to do this for just a few minutes. And if I have any flakes, it's going to help lift it. Spritzing your hair with water helps with hydrating your hair. So I'd advise you to do that every single time before you start moisturizing your hair, or before you even start doing anything. So that's going to help a lot, especially for your ends. Even when you're trying to part your hair, it's going to be a little bit easier. So after that, I'm going to section my hair into smaller sections. I'm going to start with the front section so that I can show you, and then I'm going to do the rest off camera. I realized using the scalp scrubber is actually more beneficial in removing the dead skin that I get on my scalp, because if it's on my hair, I can just remove it from my hair and my scalp looks clean. As you can see, my scalp looks good. Even if I have a few flakes on my hair, it's okay because I can always remove the flakes from my hair. It helps in preventing itchiness from my scalp, which is a plus. So yeah, so we're going to start with this section, and I'll be doing them in these smaller sections because I just want to do simple plaits. So take your water, make sure that you spritz some water evenly on your hair, and you're not supposed to make it wet. You're supposed to just make it a little bit damp, just to hydrate it. And I always make sure that I'm massaging the water into my hair, because I have low porosity hair, so I need to do this to make sure that the water is fully absorbed in my hair strands. So as I'm doing this, I'm also finger detangling. I go in with my moisturizing cream. So this cream I formulated myself. This is the cream that I use on my hair. It has been working wonders for my hair, and I'm going to launch it soon enough, so yeah. So I'm going to use that amount, then apply it on my hair, mainly focusing on the ends. So this is where you can go in with your leave-in conditioner, or if you don't like using leave-in conditioners, you can just go in with your oils and butters. So once that is done, making sure that every single strand is coated with a moisturizing cream. As you can see, I make sure that my strands are very well coated and it actually starts feeling soft. Then I go in with my oil. I take a small amount of my oil. Then I seal in that moisture and you're done. So if you want to, you can use a comb just to detangle, and that is why when you're applying all these ingredients, making sure that you massage it really well onto your hair, it actually helps in softening the hair, as well as the finger detangling is going to help. So when you start detangling your hair, it's going to be a lot easier. And once you're done with that, all you need to do is to just braid your hair. So this is going to keep my hair to stay moisturized until my next wash day, which is in a few days. Also after this, I can rock my braid out and I can stay like that for the next few days until my wash day. So what I normally do after that is I make sure that I apply a little bit of the moisturizing cream on my ends. So this is going to protect the ends from drying out a lot quicker. And then after twisting the ends, just going to make sure that I coil it so that I protect it from breakage. Now this is the final look of the braid. As you can see, it's very juicy, and this is going to give you a good amount of stretch as well. So whenever you want to rock a braid out, all you can do is to just take this down and you're going to have the most beautiful braid out. You can also do twist. Yeah, you can rock amazing twist with this and you'll be able to have soft moisturized hair, and it's not going to even break because now you've detangled the hair, you've moisturized the hair, and you've stretched your hair. Now all you need to do is to wait for it to dry. If you want to rock the braid out, just take it down and style your hair. Yeah, it's that simple. The main ingredient when it comes to moisturizing your hair is making sure that you're hydrating your hair. And what hydrates the hair? It's water. Yeah, so that's it. So I take moisturizing my hair very seriously, and that is why I take my time every single time I'm moisturizing and re-moisturizing my hair, because if I don't take my time, I don't get results, great results like this. So I make sure that I do it as slowly as I can, with all the effort that I can, just to get these results. Also, while I'm doing this, I've decided to moisturize my scalp as well. So what I'm doing is I'm making sure that my moisturizing cream goes to my scalp as well. Just a little bit of the moisturizing cream, and I'm just massaging it on my scalp because I did not moisturize my scalp after I washed my hair. And that's something I need to really work on, because if I don't moisturize my scalp, I do get flakes a lot. And I don't know if you can see, but I have flakes. So after massaging my scalp using the scalp massager, I can see flakes coming out of my scalp. So I really need to make sure that I keep up with moisturizing my scalp. I don't know why I keep forgetting to do that, especially after I've washed my hair. So that's it with the remoisturizing my hair, and I'm going to talk about moisturizing the hair in the next episode of the Length Retention 101. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell. So this is the final look, and I wanted to show you guys when I take it down, but I did not take it down. But I'm still going to share it to you when I do the next episode of Days in My Hair, yeah, so that you can see the results of the braid out that I'm going to get from here. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.